Welcome students, we are going to solve the 7th problem now. Aarti, Bharti and Hema. Ratio is 3:2:1. Balance sheet is given. Bharti died. So who died? Bharti has died. Okay, these are the adjustment. But they have asked you to prepare Bharti's executor's account. See, previous problem we saw, that is Bharti's capital account, but the debt who dies, his capital account. But here it is Bharti's executor's account. So please listen here properly, write the heading Bharti's executor's account. Debtors particulars amount rupees, particulars amount rupees credit. Yes. First step is normally what we write students, by balance brought down. But here we will write by Bharti capital account. Yes, by Bharti's capital account. By Bharti's capital account. Amount how much Bharti? 12,000. So I'm just copying and writing here 12,000. Okay. Yes. Next one is a reserve fund. Always reserve fund is 12,000. You have to give it to Bharti. What is the share? Bharti's share is 2. So 2 by 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 by 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. I'll just show you all. By 12,000 into, what was the ratio here? 3:2:1, isn't it? This is Bharti. Idu. So 2 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 1 6. This is the share. Okay, so 2 divided by 6 will give you 4,000. Okay. Yes. Now next what they are telling, the capital of her credit at the time of her death and interest thereon at 10%. So her capital 10% interest we have to do. Yes, see what I am doing. Her capital 10%. Okay, see here. Her capital is how much? 12,000, isn't it? 12,000 into percent is how much? 10% into how many months she survived? See here. Business is March. March 31st andre April. March ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ April. Died ಯಾವಾಗ? June 1st. April, May. June we cannot take. Why? June 1st only she died. If it was June 31st alla, we would have taken June also. But here how many months she survived? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, business start ಆಗಿತ್ತು 31st March. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 31st March is end of the month ಅಲ್ಲ. So April, May. June 1st she died. So how many months? April and May. March I am not taking because it is 31st month end. June I am not taking, it is 1st June. June she was not alive in 2nd June, 3rd June illa. 1st June only she died. So 2 by, yes, very good, 2 by 12. So when you multiply this, you're going to get 200. Okay. Now next what they are telling, her proportionate share of reserve fund, which we have already given. Okay, reserve fund we should always write first, students, because it is the old balance sheet idu. Always in reality practical business ಮಾಡುವಾಗ they give the reserve fund first, then this interest on capital. That's why reserve fund I have written first. Okay. Yes. Then her share of profit, always her share of profit, under which account we are preparing? Yes, profit and loss suspense account. I'll repeat this once again. Her share of profit or his share of profit anta helidre, we are going to open an account called as by profit and loss suspense account. I'll repeat it once again. His share of profit or her share of profit idre by profit and loss suspense account. What they are telling, for the intervening period will be based on the sales during that period. ಈಗ share of profit based on the sales ante. Sales ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, which was calculated as 1 lakh. The rate of profit during the past 3 years has been 10% on sales. So see how I am doing? Simple. Sales ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ante 1 lakh. So you do 1 lakh into 10%. They have told in the question 10% and say. See this 10% ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 10% on sales. Okay. Into, yes, into you will do months. How many months she was alive? Yes, she was alive only for 2 by 12, 2 months only. So when you multiply this, you will get, yes, you're going to get, check the calculator, 3,333. Okay, yes, correct? Yes. So what did I do? Share of profit, that is share of profit, that is sales, into percent, into, yes, into the share I had to take, students. Share. We are not taking the months. We are going to take the share, 2 by 6. See, I will explain this once again, entire thing. It might be confusing. It is simple. I just got confused with this. I will explain this to you once again. Don't worry. What it says, see, her share of profit, her share of profit or his share of profit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you will write this by profit and loss suspense account, isn't it? Okay, by profit and loss suspense account. What they are telling here, based on the sales during that period. Okay, sales and how much is the sales, which is calculated 1 lakh. The rate of profit during the past 3 years are 10% on sales. So idralli 10% ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, 1 lakh into 10%. Profit and loss, always I have told you all, we are going to take the share. Yes, months we are not taking. Why? Because this was the sales was done when he was alive. It was not done in 2017 alalla. It was done previously, because they have told, see, the past 3 years. See, rate of profit during the past 3 years. So when this past 3 years were there, this Bharti was alive. That is why the months will not come. Okay, and previous problem I have told you always, profit and loss suspense account again, amount and share and months we are taking. But here months I am not taking. Why? Because they have told you, which is based on the past 3 years. Past 3 years Bharti was alive. Okay, so amount, rate into 2 by 6. That will give you 3,033. Once again, let me tell you, students, why I am not taking here months. In the months 2 by 12, why we are not taking? Because profit and loss suspense only months we take. But months why we are not taking is because they are telling the rate of profit during the past 3 years. Past 3 years andre, that is 14, 2014, 15, 16 alli Bharti was alive. Adakkagi months we are not taking. Please get it clear in your head. Okay. Now this is done. Now we are doing the goodwill treatment. Okay. Next it is, see, her share of goodwill to be calculated by taking twice the amount of the average profit of the last 3 years. The profit of the previous 3 years were this much. See here, right heading, value of goodwill. Yes, value of goodwill you write. What they are telling, goodwill is equal to 2 into average profit of last 3 years. 3 years. Why 2 I am taking twice? They have told twice. So 2 into average profit of the last 3 years less 20%. So ide same annu copy ಮಾಡಿ. Average profit of the last 3 years less 20%. Here average profit of the last 3 years less minus 20%. Okay. Okay. So 2 average profit andre ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು all 3 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This all 3 amount you have to add. See how I am doing. 8,200 plus 4,000 plus 9,800, yes, divided by 3 minus 20%. Question alli kottidare, this less 20%. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, yes. Now 2, when you add this all, how much you will get? Yes, you get 22,000. Please use your calculator, divided by 3. Yes, minus 20%. So 22,000 divided by 3 you will get, yes, 70. You get like this, 0.33 minus 20%. So when you multiply 2 minus ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು 20%. Yes, so here 70 3033 33, this 33 will ignore, minus e 20%, 20% and 20 by 100 into ide amount 7333. when you multiply you will get this, multiply ಮಾಡಿ, so you'll get 7333 minus 1467 2 into ಇದು minus ಮಾಡಿ, when you minus this both you will get 5866. yes, all calculation students, you use your calculator. when you multiply this both you are going to get rupees 11,732. yes, now this is the goodwill of the firm. ಎಷ್ಟು see, only ಇದಕ್ಕೆ extra ಅಂದರೆ 20% ಇದೆ. so 20% ಇದೆ, ಈ what amount you are getting now, on that only 20% you should do. that's it. okay, this is the answer. now you have to calculate the gain ratio. what is the ratio given actually? 3:2:1. this is Bharti died, so gain ratio is equal to 3:1. okay, Bharti dies, so 3 and 1. Bharti's share of goodwill. how to do Bharti's share of goodwill? yes, Bharti's share of goodwill is, what is the value of goodwill you got now, dear students? yes, 11,732. so 11,732 into Bharti's share is how much? yes, 2 divided by 6, which will give you, yes, which will give you 3,911 rupees. now this amount you have to give it to alive partners Aarti ಮತ್ತು ಹೇಮಾಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ. amount of goodwill borne by Aarti, ಈ amount ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, here 3,911 into gain ratio. focus on the gain ratio. 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. you will get 2,933 rupees. okay, amount of goodwill borne by Hema, you will get e amount there once again 911 into 1 divided by 4. why 1 divided by 4? you are concentrating on this. yes, you will get rupees 978. so e error amount namge important, 2,933 and 978. that amount you will get. Aarti's capital account, Aarti the amount, see, Aarti is 2933. please write here 933. yes, then for Hema how much it is? amount of goodwill borne by Hema is 978. so 978. okay, yes, little long but it is easy. next, investment were sold at 16,200. his executives were paid on. investment was sold for 16,200 ante. there is one calculation here students. see, 16,200 you can just write if you want, bracket alli. investment old amount is how much? yes, 13,250. yes, old was 13,250. now it is sold for 16,200. profit or loss, sir? 13,250 you are selling it for 16,200. profit alwa. profit you will always write in the credit side, so just minus it. that is 16,200 minus 13,250. when you minus this both you will get, yes, 2,009. okay, actually 2,950 is the answer students, but his share you have to create 2,950. what is his share? 2/6. that is a profit. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ is for profit for all the 3 partners, but you are going to give it only to Bharti, so share is how much? 2/6. 2/6 you do. when you do 2/6 you will get, yes, 983. yes, I hope did you understood that. I will just tell you all once again. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ. yes, sold for how much? yes, 16,200. book value ಏನಿತ್ತು old balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ book value ನೋಡಿ book value was 13,250. 13,250. Profit alla, profit minus mod 2,950. This amount, give it in Bharti share. Bharti share will be how much? 2,950 into, what is Bharti share? 2/6. That will give you, yes, just now what you calculated, 983. Puna madbekanta illa, just to show you all I have done this. Okay, just you don't have to write it again, just to show you all I have done this here. Okay, now make the total, students, both the side total. This side it is 24,427. Here also 24,427. Okay, the complete amount you'll put here to bank account 24,427. Okay, put it to bank account by balance figure paid. Yes, I'll write it again, 24,427. Okay, thank you.